I wanted to go over a TCW retcon that was suggested to me. Now, this is one that is kind of minor, but I just wanted to do it anyway because I want to do these videos. And that retcon is General Grievous's cough. So for those of you who don't know, the original explanation for why General Grievous had a cough was addressed in the Clone Wars Microseries, the 2003 Clone Wars, the original. And basically, the original explanation was when Grievous was escaping during the Battle of Coruscant, Mace Windu tried to stop Grievous from escaping with Palpatine. And he used the Force and he crushed Grievous's chest. And after, he got repaired a little bit, didn't fully, or he never got properly repaired, so he had the cough. But then in TCW, it's like he always had the cough. So how can that be? How can we have both? Well, I'm not sure if this was an official explanation or if this was fan speculation. If you people know, let me know. So, apparently, the technology that was used in Grievous in turning him into a cyborg was kind of like prototype technology that would later be used to repair and revive and allow Darth Vader to live. And because of some of the imperfections of the technology, it agitated Grievous's lungs, causing him to cough. And when Grievous crushed his chest, you could say that just made the coughing worse, since we already took failing or flawed technology and now it's damaged. And so that's how I would resolve that. How would you resolve that? What do you think of that? Let me know in the comments, and have a good day or a good evening wherever you are, and I'll see you around.